All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about making our web applications feel truly alive, modern and interactive. We're going to see how to build a real-time app using Go, a language that's just built for speed. So let's get to it.
So let me ask you a question. Have you ever built something like a chat feature or a live dashboard and it just felt clunky? Like your app is constantly poking the server asking, anything new yet? How about now? Anything? That sluggish feeling? That's a classic sign that we're doing things the old school way.
The difference really boils down to two totally different ways of communicating. The old way, just standard HTTP, is like sending a text message. The client asks a question, the server gives an answer, and that's it. Conversation over. It's fine for loading a simple web page, but for live features, you need a WebSocket. A WebSocket is more like a phone call. It's a persistent, two-way conversation where the server can just push information to you the second it happens. No more constant asking.
So to help us figure this out, we're using this fantastic resource called Go Web Examples. It's awesome. A totally practical, no-nonsense guide that just gets straight to the code, which is exactly how we like it.
And what's really great about this guide is the way it's structured. It takes you on this really logical journey, starting with the absolute basics, like a hello world server, then it walks you through routing and templates, and then bam, right to our topic for today, WebSockets. It's basically a complete roadmap, so you know you're learning things the right way.
So, what's our mission? What does our guide set us up to do first? Well, it's actually beautifully simple. We're going to get everything ready to build what's called an echo server.
And what on earth is an echo server? Well, think of it as the hello world for real-time stuff. It's basically a digital parrot. You send it a message, and it sends that exact same message right back to you. Why? Because it's the absolute simplest way to prove that your two-way conversation, your WebSocket connection, is officially open for business.
So how do we actually make this happen? Well, according to our guide, the entire foundation for everything we're about to do, it all hinges on one single command.
This is it. This is the magic line. Go get github.com/gorilla/WebSocket. This one command goes out and pulls in what is basically the gold standard library for WebSockets in the Go community. It's powerful, it's used everywhere, and it does all the heavy lifting for us.
Let's just quickly break that down. Go get, well, that's just Go's command to fetch and install packages. And that web address, that's pointing to the Gorilla WebSocket library. This thing is a lifesaver. It's hugely popular and completely battle-tested, which means we don't have to worry about all the nitty-gritty details of the WebSocket protocol. It just gives us a really simple way to work. It handles all the hard parts for us.
But here's the thing. Running that one command, it isn't just about this one project. You've actually just expanded what every single Go application you write from here on out is capable of.
I really want to land on this powerful line, and it comes directly from our source material. From now on, every application we write will be able to make use of this library. Just think about that for a second. That single command you just ran, it was a one-time setup. It permanently adds this professional-grade, real-time toolkit to your arsenal for any project you can possibly dream up.
So that's it. That's the starting line. You've installed the tools, you understand the concept, and that persistent two-way connection is now possible in any Go app you write. The only question left is, what are you going to build first? A live chat? A stock ticker? A collaborative drawing tool? The conversation is officially open.